The truth is ratings and reviews are in the middle. They are not everything, and they're also absolutely not pointless. Ratings and reviews have a lot of value to add to you. We've had a few other episodes. I'll make sure we link to them in the show notes below. We've had a few other episodes where we talked about some strategies. For example, the 104 different people that you need to reach out to, how to reach out to them, how to call them, how to schedule it to do 2 a week, all of that. That episode's down below, so we'll make sure that it's there for you. I think it was episode 160. I'm trying to go off of memory, but the point is, my team knows, and it's already in the show notes. With ratings and reviews, they are not everything, and they are absolutely not nothing either. They are important. They are helpful. They have a purpose and a value, and they can actually help you get ranked on different places. And why does ranking matter? Ranking your podcast isn't just like, oh, I'm so awesome because my podcast is ranked. You actually get more listeners. So by getting more ratings and reviews, it will allow you to get more listeners, allow you to get ranked, allow you to add more value to other people and leave your legacy and make an impact and an income through your podcast. So you do want that. And this social proofing is a great way to do it. We talked a lot about that 104 things and calling 2 people a week. That is a very good strategy. This one's a little bit different. This one is utilizing the social media platforms to get in front of more people. And it's kind of cool because you can do this from your phone or you can do it from your computer. It's the same either way. From your phone or in your computer, you're able to record 1 minute long audios on like Facebook and sometimes on LinkedIn or Instagram. There's different platforms that also allow you to do these voice memo messages one-on-one into the DMs with different people that you're connected with. Today, I want to talk a little bit about one strategy that you can do to get more social proofing on your podcast, which will allow you to rank, which will allow you to get more listeners, which will allow you to rank even higher, which gets you more listeners, which makes you more money, which makes you leave a bigger legacy. And so when you pass away, you know that you are helping the world. And these are the things that we want as podcasters.